Once you have the steering wheel off, remove all trims, buttons, bezels, etc. This gains you more working space and prevents spoiling these parts with glue. They're usually mounted with screws or tabs. Either way, it's easy to understand how to remove them once you're at this point. If your steering wheel is currently wrapped in leather and the description on our site for the exact kind of wheel you have, make sure to check carefully, indicates that our cover replaces rather than augments the factory leather, cut all the threads with a sharp knife like a retractable blade or similar. Pull the original leather off the wheel and throw it away. Obviously, you won't need it anymore. Clean the steering wheel of dirt, glue, and leather residue. If your steering wheel was bare rubber from the factory, you can just wipe the steering wheel with warm water and soap using a rough sponge. But if it was leather wrapped and you removed the leather, you need to scrub it with wire brush or sandpaper to remove all leather remains and glue residues. Next, degrease the wheel carefully with solvent or extraction naphtha to help glue to bond properly and make sure the cover lasts for a long time.